Google. Let's go get him again.
Hey everybody, my name is Mark. I am from the channel Robes08. To all my diehards, welcome back to the channel. We're talking about Ferrari today. For all of you, that's nothing new on this channel. To anybody that's new to this channel and you subscribed on this video, hey, don't be shy. Comment below, let me know that you're new here. Love to meet new people that absolutely love this passion of ours, which is fragrances. And as you can see in front of me, I got the brand of Ferrari, and a fellow fragrance reviewer, a gentleman's journey. Go check him out, fellow Canadian. Loves this line. And I know he's going to click on this video. It's been a while, Chad. I haven't seen your mug on my channel, so I'm certainly going to see you. This is a reminder to come on over to the Robes08 channel once in a while, Chad. But today we are talking about this one right here. We're going to unbox Ferrari Vetiver Essence. I purchased a lot when they were hot, I guess. They're not really spoken about recently on YouTube, here and there, but not as much as they used to be. This Essence line, very, very solid. As you can see, I got several. I wouldn't get several if they weren't solid, but yeah, for the price they're going at discounters. So that's the thing, right? Like in Canada, here they go for around $30 and under. $30 and under, and that is a bargain. There's a lot of great scents here. Not the best in their genre, like bergamot, neroli, fig, among others, but very solid. And then once you start looking at price, it's a huge bargain. These bottles are beautiful, as you can see, and they do have some standouts on the brand. Like Bright Neroli is where everything started, I think, for the brand as far as hype trains go. And then I think Fig got some, and Radiant Bergamot got some okay, but definitely a brand if somebody was new, like a high schooler, but really wanted to get some solid scents for around 30 bucks and start a collection. I would have no issues recommending this Ferrari line. I've given my thoughts on, I think, every single one of these. Bright Neroli, Radiant Bergamot, Noble Fig. Yeah, Leather Essence, yeah, Amber Essence, and Oud Essence over here. But it's been a good 5 years since I've actually purchased another from the line. I don't think I've smelt a bad one considering price. And this one was under $25. So Canadian, by the way. So American, that's like a few pennies for you. So I decided why not. It's been a long, long time, and I'm missing a few of these Essence, and it just feels like I can't go wrong for cheapy. So let's see what they can do with the note of Vetiver. I brought out just two standouts. Like if I had a video on Vetiver, it would go forever because there's tons of different Vetivers out there. But if you're new to the Vetiver genre, this one is one I really recommend. It's around the price of these ones. Encre Noire by the House of Lalique. Possibly, I would have to say, the best Vetiver for your money in the game. Like against everything in the fragrance industry. Encre Noire, however, it's dark, rooty Vetiver. So you really need to like the note. A cleaner version of it is Grey Vetiver here. They just actually released a new flanker to Grey Vetiver. But this one right here is, I believe, the EDP. I have the Eau de Toilette somewhere that I have to unbox, but this one, a very clean Vetiver. So I'm thinking Ferrari, and looking at the note breakdown, I may be wrong, but I'm thinking it's going to go more Grey Vetiver than Encre Noire, which is going to be more of a cleaner version of the Vetiver. So let's take a look at this one. Let's unbox it. So the one thing I see in the note breakdown before I open this one up is that I saw a lot of interesting notes. Hazelnut, coffee, iris, Szechuan pepper, among others. I wonder if I'm going to get any of those or not. Is Vetiver just going to be the singular note and everything's going to be around it? We'll see. Those are things that unboxings, first impressions may give you. Again, this is a smaller bottle, so I went mini. I didn't go big boy. I definitely don't need 100 mils of any of juice anymore. So this one's a 50 mil, which suits me perfectly fine. Gray bottle, you'd think they'd go green bottle for Vetiver. It's my thoughts, but that's me. I love these caps. They're very sturdy, heavy, beautiful, beautiful bottles. They fit good in your hand. So this is my scent of the day. I'm wearing nothing. This is what I'm going to be testing today and wearing today. So let's delve into it. Let's overspray it, because I love overspraying on first impressions. It kind of gives me more of the scent. Oh, there's the vetiver. Okay. Yeah, upon first sniff and why I went, whoa, is there, it gave me that Szechuan pepper. It was very vivid. Okay, so spicy. So there's some good pepper. This is very interesting, actually. Okay, so it's citrusy. Actually, this is really good. Okay, there's some citrus in here. Bergamot. I'm smiling because it's actually well done. I don't know why I keep getting surprised by these, but I don't know. I'm anticipating a flop somewhere. This is actually pretty good. Citrus. The vetiver is not primary. So you get some citrus, you get some spices, you get some woody aspects. You're definitely getting that green vetiver. You're getting a teaser of rootiness. A teaser. Like the vetiver itself is very gentle in this. It feels like there's some bite to it, but it really doesn't want to come out. Some cardamom here. So the bite that I got initially, gone. That pepper, gone. It smooths out. And now it's getting almost creamy, dry, earthy vetiver, but not in the ballpark of Encre Noire. Not very dark, but very dry. The citruses, the bergamot here is actually sticking around. There's green, but at the end of the day, the initial thought is this is a cleaner vetiver. Citrusy. It has... it's an interesting release. I actually really like this one. So clean, versatile. Again, these type of clean vetivers are very versatile. Lighter version. It's not as upscale as this. This is an upscale vetiver. What I mean by that is it's very cleaned up with gray vetiver. There's some polish to it, and this one has its rough edges. Like even already, like right off the bat, I had that pepper, and I was like, "Whoa!" A little bit of shock to the system there, but it goes here, but not as good as here. Kind of like I have a vetiver that's right over there from État Libre d'Orange, Fat Electrician. Around those realms. Cleaner. It really lost its punch. Like it, you know, when I said I felt a little bit of the bite, a little bit of the rootiness of the vetiver, I'm losing it. Very basic now. So that didn't take long. So we'll see. Again, I may have just with too many sprays here, but very clean. That's what I'm getting now. Vetiver's green. Leafy almost, not as rooty. So it's giving me a lot of things, you know, there's a lot of transitions in this release. So interesting release, and that's what I come to expect from this brand. All of these very, very solid. They do have some excellent transitions. A lot of these don't last on your skin. That's not what an unboxing first impression will talk about. That you have to, you know, stay around, maybe subscribe, and I'll do a test drive, no pun intended, with Ferrari. Yeah, a test drive, of course, of testing it out 5 to several days on my skin, and then I can give you the longevity projection, all that good stuff. But at the end of the day, a solid release that gave me a lot of different things. I feel it's more in the cleaner variety. However, I felt some rootiness during this testing on camera. That one time, that one spot, and then it just went away. So we'll see if it comes back. Sometimes these fragrances, it jumps in and out. But the clean variety, I think, very versatile scent, easy to wear. Dress it up, dress it down. This is the type of things that you could wear. Like, again, spring is right around the corner. This is perfect for that. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. What do you think of Vetiver Essence by the brand of Ferrari? Is there anything I'm missing here? I'll remove this, but I think you see them all here. Should I be? What's the next Ferrari for me? If you got nothing to add about this one, please suggest another one for me. Especially, you know, sometimes I just feel like just getting a cheapie for the channel and check it out, kind of like what I did with this one. And your comments do count to see which one would be next from the brand. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. There's a lot of vetiver based fragrances on the market, so do your research, but choose your vetiver based fragrance wisely. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.